the ancients who preceded us counted time by the moon and the sun and the stars. Trees, like human beings, have beginnings and endings. Humans mark time by birthdays, death days, holidays, weddings, graduations, and the like. Trees manifest lives lived by the size and space of their yearly rings, by healing over the lightning strikes, broken branches, invasion by insects or fungi, wind and rain or lack thereof. When we harvest a tree and cut it into planks of wood, the inner secrets of trees are revealed for the first time. And when the plank is made into furniture, the life of the tree is transformed into a work of art that will last perhaps several lifetimes more. The life of a tree is frozen in time and made manifest to the world. Our work was begun with respect to fine materials, developed and shaped by fine craftsmanship, refined by many skilled hands and eyes over many years, and continues to evolve and grow, even though and because trees have died and become lumber. We treasure the skills of hand craftsmanship, which have been passed on for millennia in both Japan, Europe, and the rest of the world. We shall all someday achieve the state of timelessness, the place of beginninglessness and endlessness. But in the meantime, we have our timepieces and furniture, manifesting the lives of trees, marking our time on Earth.